picture that you're showing right now, boy,
Okay.
yung magang-magayang sa mukha ko at marami akong rashes, I sent that to you because unfortunately, meron akong panglima na autoimmune condition na nag-hello ngayon. If you'll allow me, pangangalanan natin, I'll start with October of 2018, na-diagnose ako with autoimmune thyroiditis and yung chronic spontaneous urticaria. Yun you're familiar with because nakikita mo na minsan papasok ako na punong-puno ng pantal yung buong katawan and meron akong mga, after that, malalaking mga pasa. So that was something I went through and it was being treated already, 2022 via Xolair, another biological na gamot. But then, it was in April of 2022 na lumala and na-diagnose yung Sturge-Strauss. Yun ngayon yung pinaka-kontrabida sa buhay ko.
Itong Sturge-Strauss, okay.
Yes, another name for it, if they will Google, it's EGPA, pero pinadali ko na lang dahil ang hirap i-memorize ng buong EGPA, what it stands for. Ang problema, boy, is that it was diagnosed nung nasa phase 3 na ako. And that's the last phase. That
Chrissy,
means na...
sandali, pakiulit lang. Ano yung panglimang autoimmune na sinasabi mo na na-discover nila ngayon?
Nung nakita, if you can see, that's a butterfly rash.
Okay.
Yung pinakita niyong litrato kanina. Ayaw pang bigyan ng direct classification ng mga doktor, but it's a toss-up, boy, because of the physical manifestations. Ang ibig sabihin nito, yung mga pinapakita ng katawan ko. And because I have very low hemoglobin, I have fluctuating blood pressure, nagsisimula na yung, hindi, pinakita ko sa'yo pero I asked na huwag mo na i-share dahil medyo graphic talaga yung pamamaga ng mga tuhod ko at yung mga buto-buto na naglalabasan. It's right now, they're classifying it as an autoimmune mixed connective tissue disease. Falling under that, boy, is either SLE or lupus, na mas kilala, or it could be rheumatoid arthritis.
Okay.
Pero babalikan ko, hindi natin nabanggit na nung nasa Houston ako habang hindi pa gumagaling from COVID because I was a long-haul patient. I had it for more than 3.5 weeks with all the symptoms. Ang nangyari was I got a 4th diagnosis. Meron ako ng CREST syndrome. It's the other word for that or the other term is diffuse scleroderma. And nakakatakot yun, boy, kasi ang inaatake naman nun yung ating lungs. Pwede kang magkaroon ng pagkatapos ng episode na to, marami nang pwedeng maging doktor sa Pilipinas. You can get pulmonary hypertension from that, meaning na ang hypertension pala hindi lang sa puso, pwede ring mangyari sa ating it's my right lung, boy, na nung gumawa kami ng buong chest and up to the stomach na CT scan, nakita nila na meron na akong maliliit na nodules at tama. Meron mga, kung ito yung lungs ko, parang may mga scratch marks kang makikita. Parang may mga sugat na. Dahil nga, hirap na yung right lung. Dahil until now, part of Sturge-Strauss is that you have this persistent dry cough at nagkaroon ako ng adult onset, meaning ngayon na matanda na ako, ngayon ako nagkaroon ng asthma.
Okay.
And right now na nag-uusap tayo, that's why binigyan ako ni Alvin na Kleenex, nag-sinusitis na ako. Bigla siya nagsimula.